The biggest storm-related risks that we see here in Cumberland County have to do with flooding, high winds, and power outages. We have the Cape Fear River and a lot of smaller streams that run through our community, which has a tendency to flood our low-lying areas. And then, of course, wind has the potential to knock down power lines and trees, which can cause its own hazards in our community. So those are our biggest hazards that we have during storm season. Preparation is key. We want to make sure that our citizens have a plan to start with, whether that be knowing their evacuation routes, having a go kit ready with supplies that can last them up to 72 hours, and don't forget about your pets. A lot of times you might have to evacuate with your furry friends, and we want to make sure that they have the equipment they need as well. The best way to stay informed is through Cumberland Alerts. You can sign up for Cumberland Alerts through our website or via the app with Cumberland County, and that allows you to get real-time notifications to your phone or email, whether they be weather-related, flooding, or any additional critical information that's related to their community. If residents or citizens feel they need to evacuate or leave their home, whether that be to a shelter or another location, we encourage them to have a go kit ready with various items such as clothing, medications, any important documents that they might need. In those go kits, we want to make sure they also have their pet-friendly items and anything that they might need for a 72-hour stretch. Our local first responders are our frontline heroes. They're out on the roads conducting rescues, assisting with our citizens, whether that be evacuating or just notifications, providing them the aid that they need, and notifying us of any resources that they might need or our citizens might need. We encourage our citizens to reach out to their local utility company for any reporting of outage. We also offer here at Cumberland County a non-emergency call number where they can also report outages as well as flooding or downed trees. Homeowners can take precautions such as securing loose items that they have outside, cleaning out their gutters, and ensuring that their important documents are secured in waterproof containers. If they have any kind of electrical equipment in a low-lying area that's prone to flooding, we encourage them to see if they can have those lifted as well. So if you're not able to bring your original documents and you know they're secure in a watertight container, we recommend bringing those documents scanned on a thumb drive. A lot easier for travel and quick to pick up if it's an emergency and evacuation of such. If residents wish to use a generator during a power outage, we encourage them to use them outside and away from windows. We want to make sure that everything's in a well-ventilated area, and that if you need to hook the generator to your residence, that you're doing so during a proper transfer switch and that it's grounded. After a storm passes, a resident should stay where they are, avoid driving on flooded roadways. If possible, we encourage them to check on your neighbors, especially those who may have some additional needs that they need to take care of. But first and foremost, we just want them to stay safe until the authorities give them the go-ahead to move around. After a storm, volunteer opportunities are very high in demand. We always encourage our citizens to join our Community Emergency Response Team, also known as CERT. Gives them the opportunity to volunteer in a variety of capacity. We offer training for that program several times throughout the year. Anyone who is looking to join our CERT team is able to sign up via the website at Cumberland County Emergency Services. We have a link there that offers all the information needed. Preparedness starts with you. Don't wait until an emergency or a storm is here. Have your plan, have your go kit, your evacuation route mapped out, discuss that with your family, and remember, the more we prepare as a community, the safer we'll be.